Good day, ma'am. I'm Buchgo from IT33 and reporting about spiral model. What is this spiral model? This spiral model uses incremental approach to develop that provides a combination of waterfall and prototyping model. Each cycle around the development spiral provides a successively more complete version of the software and more emphasis placed on risk analysis. Therefore, this means that one stage can be skipped for testing and returned to at later point. When do we use the spiral model? We use the spiral model if the users are unsure of their needs, meaning if there is an incomplete information or other resources that creating a project. This spiral model helps us to improve a a project or developing something. And this spiral model is intended in the complicated projects or large projects and so on and so forth. History of spiral model. Barry Bourne first described the spiral model in his 1986 paper, A Spiral Model of Software Development and Enhancement. In his early papers, uses the term process model to refer as the spiral model. This model has the characteristics of incremental, waterfall, prototyping, and other models. There are four phases of spiral model. First is planning, second risk analysis, third engineering, and fourth evaluation. Let's talk about first the planning. Planning is the objectives, alternatives, and constraints of the project are determined and documented. The output in in the first phase is that all the requirements are understanding document and finalize list of documents. Second is the risk analysis. Risk analysis is a phase wherein identify and resolve all the possible risks in the project development, meaning all possible alternatives which can help in developing a cost-effective project are analyzed. The output in this phase must be the document which highlights all the risks and its mitigation plans and other solution for the risks. The third one is the engineering. This phase is passed through all the phases iteratively in order to obtain improvements in the same, meaning the actual development of the project is carried out. Then the output of this phase must be all the codes, results, cases, reports, and other must be tested. Then last one is the evaluation. This phase is very much similar to testing phase, meaning the developed product is passed on the customer in order to receive a customer's comments and suggestions about the developed software or product. Advantages and disadvantages of this spiral model. Advantages is that changing requirements can be accommodated, allows for extensive use of prototypes, and additional functionality can be added at later date. And also, software is produced early in the software lifecycle. While the disadvantages of this spiral model is that can be costly model to use, doesn't work well for smaller projects. That's why some projects are not using this kind of spiral model because of that this spiral model can be used in large and complicated projects, just like I said before. And project success is highly dependent on the risk analysis phase. Thank you po.